Cable management is important in any well-designed workspace. The Linx cable management spine is designed to be installed easily in any workspace at any length. Various options are available to suit standard height and height adjustable sit-stand desks and tables. The unique linking system ensures the vertebrae will never pull apart under tension, but will detach easily when twisted. The Linx Limpet magnet fixing makes installation and relocation to cable trays or desk frames quick and easy. Linx also comes with an alternative multi-purpose fixing clip for mounting to cable trays, wire baskets or desktops. And the large weighted base keeps Linx neatly secured in position under the desk. Designed so that cables can enter the spine anywhere easily across its entire length, Linx's high-capacity dual cable compartments and exits can keep data and power cables completely separate. Combine Linx with Metalicon steel cable trays or wire baskets for a complete cable management solution, from desktop to floor box or wall socket. Linx is available in black, white and silver grey to match or contrast with common desk frame finishes. All our cable management solutions come with a Metalicon full 5-year warranty.